Good day, Ma'am Pellegrino. We are group 4 of COE119 Lab, section A01, and today we will be discussing to you our design of experiment, which tackles the topics of rotate instructions, in 10H instructions, in 33H instructions, and file handling operations. So this is the code, and we will get to you later on the discussion of the code, but for now we will try to run the program in the DOS box. So CLS, there we go, the DOE. So this is the front page of our design of experiment. As you can see here, we have mouse operations, and then this is our section, and then this is our group. So when we press start, it transitions into a new page. So that is the video mode operations. So this is the original program that we searched for in the library, and this contains rotate instructions and shift left and shift right. So press any key to continue. So there, as you can see, the values of registers AX, BX, CX, and DX will change at some point due to the rotate and shift instructions. So after executing all of the commands, the program will create a text file in the 8086 directory, which has the file name of result.txt. So I will show to you the text file right now. So this is the text file. You can see it has the same values: 3456, 3456, CBA9, and so on and so forth. Now onto the code. I will be discussing to you the video modes, or the 10H video modes. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, 1. Anyway, the video modes that are used here in the design of experiment are all mainly with regards to the resolution of the screen. So as you may have seen earlier in the sample program, our program starts off with a main menu, and then it transitions into another page. So here, as you can see, we have in 10H. So the values of registers BX, CX, and DX, they all rely on register AX. Since the values of AH, if you want to initialize video mode, you need to set AH first to 00. As you can see here, so we have 00, and then we have 06. So for our design of experiment program, our design of experiment program has an 80 by 25 text graphics resolution, an 8 by 14 text resolution, and a 640 by 350 resolution.
So for the next function, as you can see, here we used the interrupt 33H in the mouse functions. So for this, it was used to initialize the mouse, to show the mouse pointer to hide the visible mouse pointer and to get the current mouse position. As you can see, these functions use the register AX, and each register stores an address. Here for the show mouse pointer, it will it used the address 001H and so on and so forth. So each functions were called for this code to operate its corresponding functions.
So for the in21H, we commonly saw it in all of assembly language program. So this interrupt enables us to control inputs and outputs. It can also be used to create, modify, delete, and open text files. So for this part of the program, for example, for this part, so we moved AL, register AL, to initialize, will be initialized to 0 for it to read, and then this register 3DH will be moved into register AH to open an existing file. So we utilize the in21H interrupt and use it to create a text file named result that copies the string from the output of the program into the text file.
So as she was saying a while ago, this is again the text file of the result. So that should be in your 8086 directory when created, since your program is also in the 8086 directory. So here I will show to you now the main program. This, by the way, this is the raw code from the book. So those are the rotate and shift instructions. Then this is the main program. As you can see, we have the initialization of registers, the move of at data to AX, and then move the values of AX to DS, and then the initialization ends. And then get video old vid, it gets the old video, and then set video 0010H, it sets the video mode. Now when these functions are called, it displays the main menu, and then the get file and the show menu. These four functions, they set up the first page of our design of experiment. And then when you call mousefun has all of the interrupt 33H instructions so that we can control the cursor in the main menu. And then call write file, it writes the register values to result.txt after executing all of the original rotate program functions. Then move AH07H to press any key to exit, interrupt 21H. So for input of the any key. Then set video old vid, it sets video mode to old video again so that the screen will turn back to black and just flash, just blink. Then move AX for C00H, which exits the current state of the program and returns back to DOS. And that ends our program. Thank you. My name is Manuel Leslie G. Santelices Jr.
And my name is Lance Simer and Ruz.
I'm Julia Alexandra Macabeo.
And again, we are Group 4. Thank you.